Today we're going to explore a multi-user virtual environment tool called iCivics. The intended audience for iCivics is upper elementary, middle, and high school classrooms. This tool was created by Sandra Day O'Connor in order to change how civic education is taught in schools. It provides resources to multiple lesson plans and mini-lessons, as well as interactive games for students to play, and web quests that take students on a journey through our democracy. A feature that I found very important through iCivics was web quests. iCivics says that web quests are an engaging way to learn about specific civic topics, and it relates them to real world. There are multiple ways to use web quests in the classroom, and as well as many topics that you could choose from. One that interested me was the 3 branches of government. Once registered to iCivics, the tool is very easy to navigate and locate resources based on standards or content. You can create a class with a password and a unique virtual classroom code, and explore the multiple resources that are found within this great tool. A few advantages of using iCivics would be visual representation of how our government works, as well as games and web quests to use to demonstrate and practice the process of our government. As you can see here, there are many topics to choose from: foundations of government, road to the Constitution. A few disadvantages that I found through this tool were that it was not really intended for lower elementary, but would be a great resource to adapt in the future for a K-3 classroom, as we do learn parts of the government in 2nd grade. But you can always use pieces to incorporate into your classroom. I hope you enjoyed this tour of iCivics and you find it useful in your classroom.